Practice your English with this story. Basic English.
The mysterious box. Anna was very sad. Her grandmother died last week, and Anna missed her a lot. To remember her, Anna went to her grandmother's house often. She liked to walk through the rooms and think about her grandmother. One day, Anna went to the attic. It was full of old things. In a corner, she saw a small, dusty box. The box had a big, rusty lock, and it looked very old. Anna remembered that her grandmother used to talk about the attic. She said it was full of old treasures and secrets. Anna wondered if this box had a secret inside. Anna was very curious. She wanted to know what was inside the box. She thought, maybe there are old toys or letters inside. She dreamed about finding her grandmother's old toys or maybe a book with stories. She became more curious every day. Anna tried to open the box, but the lock was too strong. She asked her friends to help, but no one could open it. Even though they couldn't open it, Anna couldn't stop thinking about the box. One day, an old man came to her village. He was very intelligent, and people said he knew many secrets. Anna asked him for help. The old man looked at the box carefully. Then, he smiled and said, "I know how to open this box because I gave it to your grandmother many years ago. Inside, there was a letter I wrote to her before I left on a very important trip. But this box had a secret. It could not be opened until someone tried 10 times. Anna was surprised, but she decided to try again. She took a deep breath, gently pressed on the lock, and finally, the box opened. Inside, Anna found a letter, a key, and a small bag of seeds.
Antes de terminar la historia, revisa la descripción para que hagas el ejercicio de práctica completo con un corto quiz.
The letter was from her grandmother. It said, "To my dear family, I loved you all very much. I was very happy in my life. This garden was my favorite place. I hope it will be your favorite place too. Please take care of it and make it beautiful again. When you see the flowers, you will see a part of me." Anna was very sentimental. She used the key to open the garden gate and planted the seeds. Soon, the seeds grew into a beautiful, colorful garden. Every flower reminded Anna of her grandmother and how important it is to be patient and keep trying.
Nos vemos en la próxima historia.